Hello friend, myself Muhammad Shakir. Today we are going to study the organic compound that is alcohol. Now friend, in case of the alcohol play a very important role in industries. Simultaneously it again play a very important role in our day-to-day life. For example friend, the wood polish which is utilized to polishing the furniture is generally alcohol. The retinol which is the important substance in vision is nothing but the alcohol. Generally friend, starting from the alcohol we are able to prepare different type of organic compounds, that is aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, etc. जनरली फ्रेंड दे अगेन प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. फॉर एग्जांपल हम सिंपल एग्जांपल देखेंगे. हमारे इंजेक्शन देने के पहले हमारे हाथ पे कुछ लगाया जाता है जिससे हमें लगता है ठंडा ठंडा, कूल कूल. हाँ, बाद में कैसा लगता है ये मैं नहीं पूछूंगा. जनरली फ्रेंड दिस इज आल्सो द वन टाइप ऑफ अल्कोहल. नाउ फ्रेंड, आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन, इन शॉर्ट लेट्स सी देयर definition. Now friend, in case of alcohol are the hydroxy derivative of hydrocarbon. For example friend, RH, this is nothing but hydrocarbon. Now friend, when hydrogen atom is removed and we add here hydroxyl group, then we get here ROH, that is alcohol. Thus friend, alcohol are the hydroxy derivative of alkene which is obtained by the replacement of either one or more than one hydrogen by hydroxyl group. Now friend, the functional group of alcohol is single bond OH, while the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH, or it is also represented by ROH. Let's see classification. Generally friend, the alcohol are classified into different types. Let's see one by one. Now friend, number one classification. The classification depending upon the number of OH group attached to the compound. For example friend, number one, monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohol, and next and very important, that is polyhydroxy alcohol. Let's see one by one. Now friend, नाम में मतलब छुपा है. For example friend, in case of the monohydric alcohol, these are those alcohol in which there is a presence of only one OH group. For example friend, H3CCH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Now friend, in case of the dihydric alcohol, नाम में ही मतलब छुपा है, that is di means two, hydric means OH. Thus the dihydric alcohol are those alcohol in which there is a presence of two OH group. Best example is the ethane 1,2-diol or glycol, that is H2C CH2OH, that is glycol. Third and very important, that is the trihydric alcohol. The trihydric alcohol are those alcohol in which there is a presence of three hydroxyl group. Always kept in mind, more than one OH group are present on the same compound, but they are not present on the same carbon atom. They are present but on different carbon atom. Thus friend, in case of the trihydric alcohol, the best example is the glycerine or glycerol, that is the H2C CH2 CH2 OH OH COH. This is nothing but the glycerine. While friend, in case of the polyhydric alcohol, the best example is the sorbitol, in which there is a presence of 6 OH group, and these 6 OH group are present on the different carbon atom. Now friend, let's see, ये तो हम लोगों ने देखे, that is the classification depending upon the number of hydroxyl group. Let's see next classification. Now friend, in case of the monohydric alcohol are further classified into the different type depending upon the hybridization of carbon atom. Let's see first monohydric alcohol. Now friend, in case of the monohydric alcohol, the general representation is ROH. R is alkyl group, therefore the general representation CnH2n plus 1 OH, or it is also represented by CnH2n plus 2O. Now friend, when we minutely observe on the functional group of ether, then it is seen that the general representation of ether is same. Thus alcohol and ether are functional isomer. Now friend, let's see in detail. Now friend, in case of the monohydric alcohol में पहला जो क्लासिफिकेशन हम लोग देखेंगे, वो देखेंगे कार्बन sp3OH. नाम में मतलब छुपा है, the OH group is attached to those carbon atom whose hybridization is sp3. Thus friend, in case of these, they are further classified into the different type, that is the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Let's see. Number 1, primary alcohol, that is RCHHOH. Secondary alcohol RCRHOH. While friend, in case of the tertiary alcohol, RCRROH. प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी अल्कोहल किसे कहते हैं, पहले हम लोग ये देखेंगे. नाउ फ्रेंड, द प्राइमरी अल्कोहल आर दोज व्हिच इज अटैच्ड टू द प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम. Then question is arises, what is mean by primary carbon atom? The primary carbon atom are those which is attached to only one carbon atom, while in case it is represented by 1 degree or P. Well, this is the secondary alcohol. Now friend, the secondary alcohol are those in which OH is attached to the secondary carbon atom, and the secondary carbon atom are those which is attached to the 2 carbon atom. While friend, in case of the tertiary alcohol, it is represented by 3 degree. Thus the tertiary alcohol are those in which OH is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, and tertiary carbon atom are those which is attached to the 3 different carbon atoms. Okay, let's see next, and very important, that is the allylic monohydric alcohol. Now friend, in case of the allylic type, allylic, generally friend, in case of these, the carbon atom whose hybridization is sp3, but friend, the OH is attached to the sp3 type of carbon atom, which is attached to those carbon atom which is attached to the carbon carbon double bond, means पड़ोसी का पड़ोसी. For example friend, H2C double bond CH single bond CH2 single bond OH. 1 2 3 3 means prop, carbon number 1 2 at 2 double bond, therefore name of this compound is prop 2 in 1 all. 3 carbon, therefore prop. At carbon number 2 there is a presence of double bond, therefore 2 double bond due to En, while in case of OH is attached on carbon number, therefore 1 all, prop 2 in 1 all. Now friend, in case of these, OH is attached to the sp3 type of carbon atom, which is attached to those carbon atom where there is a presence of carbon carbon double bond. Let's see next and very important, that is the benzylic alcohol. Now friend, in case of the benzylic alcohol, benzylic alcohol. Now friend, here also carbon atom whose hybridization is sp3. Thus friend, in case of these, OH is attached to the sp3 type of carbon atom, which is further attached to the benzene ring, and best example is the phenyl methanol. Let's see example. C6H5 CH2OH, that is phenyl methanol. This is the best example of benzylic type of alcohol. Now next and very important, that is vinyl alcohol. Now friend, in case of the vinyl alcohol, the hybridization of carbon atom is sp2 CsP2OH. Now friend, in case of vinyl alcohol, best example is the H2C double bond CHOH, means OH is attached to those carbon atom where there is a presence of carbon carbon double bond, that is the vinyl alcohol. Now friend, after completion of the classification, let's see very important, that is the nomenclature. Now friend, in case of the nomenclature, in case of alcohol there are 3 system of nomenclature. Number 1 is the common system, second is the carbinol system, and third and very important, that is the IUPAC system. Now friend, let's see one by one. Number 1 is the common system. Generally friend, the common system is also referred as trivial system. Now friend, in case of trivial system or common system, in short, name can be written as alkyl alcohol, means first write down the name of alkyl followed by the suffix alcohol, that is alkyl alcohol. Or if there is a presence of branch or state, if there is a state then we use normal, and if branch then we use iso, sec or tertiary. Next and very important, that is the carbinol system. Now friend, the carbinol system is given by the German scientist, that is the Hermann Kohl. According to the Hermann Kohl, generally friend, the alcohol are considered as the derivatives of carbinol, or in short, carbinol is nothing but methyl alcohol. Or in carbinol system, first we write the name of methyl alcohol followed by the prefix alkyl according to the alphabetical order. While friend, in case of the IUPAC system, first we select longest OH containing chain as a parent hydrocarbon and we write name, that is the alkane. Now friend, in case of IUPAC system, the E of alkane is replaced by all, hence the name is alkane. E replaced by all means alkanol. Thus, let's see some example. Now friend, this is the structural formula of CH3OH, that is the methyl alcohol. In common system we write methyl alcohol. 2 carbon atom, ethyl group, therefore ethyl alcohol. This one is 1, 2, 3 carbon containing alkyl, that is a propyl alcohol, or as it is straight, due to we write normal propyl alcohol or N-propyl alcohol. Now friend, this is the isopropyl alcohol, while this is the tertiary butyl alcohol. Now friend, in case of the common system, as we know that the methyl alcohol is nothing but the carbinol, and before carbinol there is a presence of CH3, that is methyl, therefore name of these compound is methyl carbinol. In case of these, before carbinol there is a presence of ethyl group, therefore ethyl carbinol. Here there are 2 methyl group, therefore dimethyl carbinol, while in case of these there are 3 CH3 group, therefore trimethyl carbinol. Now friend, in case of the IUPAC system, as we know that alkanol, that is E replaced by ol. Now in case of these there is a presence of only 1 carbon atom, therefore the parent alkane is methane. But as there is a presence of OH, therefore E replaced by ol means methanol. Now friend, in second structure there are 2 carbon atom, therefore ethane. OH present, therefore E replaced by ol means ethanol. This one is the propane 1-ol, because according to the IUPAC system, the lowest number should be given to the OH group, and the number of OH group is written before suffix ol. Thus according to the IUPAC, the name of this compound is propane 1-ol, while friend, in case of these, numbering is given 1, 2, 3. At carbon number 2 there is a presence of OH, therefore name of this compound is propane 2-ol. While friend, in case of these, this is nothing but the 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Now friend, this is nothing but the nomenclature. तो now friend, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्शन, डेफिनेशन, क्लासिफिकेशन और नोमेनक्लेचर पार्ट कंप्लीट किया. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट इसमें हम लोग एक नया टॉपिक लेंगे. तब तक आप लोग इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.